Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp without sharing your phone number. So it's a very useful setting. Just look at image very carefully. I'm going to show you step by step. So the first step is open WhatsApp and then click on the settings option. Click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner. Here you're going to find the settings option, and then the step 3 is to go to the account section into the settings, and into the account section you're going to find out username. Okay, now you can simply see into the 5 that you have to create your username and simply click on reverse username, and congratulations, your username is reversed. And now you can simply share your username, and how others find you, just simply search your username and they got you. And that's the enjoying the private chatting with your WhatsApp. You can simply do that in your PC too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below this kind of video is really helpful or not.